I don't think it's gonna rain today.
No?
It's already too windy, I think. Morning, girl. She's kind of like the Black Angus. Super friendly. This is one of the most recent ones we got at the auction.
Guarantee you that cow's stealing milk from that cow.
Yeah. Fish.
Man, we're munching this all down. See, it's good they munch the first layer down.
Mm-hmm.
And you keep that second layer, it'll grow back faster.
Yeah.
If they munch it down too low, it's going to take twice as long. Like that. It's a little bit too low.
Too
over there.
low.
That's almost killed it.
You distract her by going over this way?
Just checking all of them, see if there's any.
Gonna try to spray her?
Foot is bothering her.
Yeah, I see red. Okay. Go on the other.
It's not limping.
Meanwhile, she don't care. So friendly.
She's on the sun.
Hey, girl. Sunbathing. Hey, buddy. That's the bull that had screwworms.
Smells nice out here.
Hey, girl. How you doing? It's all good. All good. I don't think it's gonna rain today.
No?
It's already too windy, I think.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm scared too much. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep them on here very much longer.
Oh, pulling up some dirt there. Just a bit. There's the...
Pretty happy out here though.
Yeah.
See, that's how I can tell that the white cow's got something. That brown cow had a big old hole in her, and it's already healing up. I don't even need to spray it today unless it gets infected and starts leaking again. But it's already almost dry. That white cow, it's been twice, 3 times as long.
Yeah.
Cut's not that deep. It's not healing. Something's wrong.
Yeah, and I don't think it's screwworms.
No, it's not. It would have been huge. You wouldn't be able to tell. Plus we sprayed it. That spray killed. If they were in there, they couldn't be that deep. There's bone. not like a lot of meat right there, so just a little bit of skin, you know?
Yeah.
It's like your shin, kind of, your knee, right under there. It's not a lot of meat there, so if they were in there, they wouldn't be in there very deep, and that spray would keep gotten them.
Well, it's been a few days since the last clip. I'm back out here in the same pasture. I kept them in here over the weekend too. Morning, girl. Here's a cow that has that wound on her back knee. Doesn't really look like it's getting better, but it doesn't look worse. It might be more red. It's hard to tell. But our calf is laying over here. The newest bull calf. How you doing? It's all good. He looks all good and sprayed up. Spray isn't biblical, so he doesn't get screw worms on it. If we don't, they will for sure. Here's the other bull calf that was born maybe 3 weeks ago now. He looks way thicker and it was born way thicker than the other one. Hey, bud. Morning. It's all good. Still hesitant. I really like that bull calf. That's probably one of the best ones I've seen. Brahmin, and I believe Nalor. His mom's half Nalor, I want to say. This is the most friendly one we've got. Morning, girl. She's kind of like the Black Angus. Super friendly. This is one of the most recent ones we got at the auction. This Brahmin heifer. She's got something on her. She's looking good. You're a good girl. How's your neck looking? Some ticks here and there, but not bad at all. Just stickies. She's got some. That's healed up. That's good. That was never a cut that when we had her. Alright, I'm going to take a look at the calves over here next. As you can see, since the first clip in this video, the grass has been munched down pretty good amount. They still got a bunch of grass over here, but I definitely wouldn't want to get the grass lower than this. We'll probably be moving them in a day or two. Maybe today. Hey, girl. Here's the Angus and her dog, the Brongus. If they're in a pasture together, they're together. And here's the calves over here. The white Brahmin heifer and the white Brahmin bull calf there. Looking better than they were, but they still see their rib cage. They got all this grass to eat, and we're feeding them pellets. Hey, girl. She's got a bunch of ticks on her again. I'm gonna have to pull off. And it seems the bull calf is the same. It's got a bunch of ticks on him. So many ticks on him. And they're not related at all. We even got them at 2 separate auctions. Well, same auction, just different times. We gave them the max amount of ivermectin, max amount of fenbendazole, 2 different brands of ivermectin. I don't know what's going on.